Wow! You're gonna leave me? High five. Alright, give them kisses now. Hey, that's a nice way of saying good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. You just wanna give high five with your lunch food mouth. High five. Hey, but if you do that, they won't be able to see. They're not gonna see you. Sit. Sit. No, sit here. Hi faves, good morning you guys. Alright, no more. You guys, I have been up and on a roll all morning. I don't even know if you guys can hear the wind outside. The first thing I did when I woke up this morning was wash my hair, because my hair badly needed to wash. So my hair is now all clean and the shrinkage is real as usual. Look at that, you guys. Look at that. This is what you call a real shrinkage. I guess all my natural hair peeps can relate. Alright, no shouting and stop. I have been up and on a roll all morning. I've been so busy. I have so much to get done. I look after Tyler, gave him a bath. I actually just feed him lunch because it's just around midday, and I haven't picked up the camera all morning because I've been so busy. Tyler, give me a kiss. Love you. You guys, baby's off to work as usual, and I've been really busy all morning. I got an early start. Oh my god, headband is gone. This child is climbing. Oh my god. What are you doing? Oh, look at my hair now. Alright, let's take off the headband. That's better. That's better. That's better. That's better. No, let me squeeze you up. I'm gonna 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 squeeze you. I'm gonna squeeze you. You want me to squeeze you? You guys, he's in Pampers because he's actually about to go take a nap. Nana. Nana. Na 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 na. Look at him. What are you doing to me? Look at it. Oh my god. I have a little monkey. You love to ride Mama neck. Oh my god. I can't see. You're so noisy. He loves to play so much. What are you doing to me? Give me a kiss. Give Mama a kiss. Can Mama have a kiss? What are you doing to my hair? You're just having your moment, huh? You're just having your moment? and I had so much things to do, so I've just been on a roll all morning, and now I'm going to get Tyler to go for a nap because I need to go and iron some shirts for babe, so he can have shirts for the week. Amongst, I need to also edit tomorrow's vlog. I have some stuff in the kitchen to do, and I want to take Tyler to the pool. So yeah, that's what's up for today. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day and make it a good week. Make it a good one. Be good, and if you can't be good, be careful. And the Jamaican expression, I'm just gonna throw it in. So the Jamaican expression for today is gut. So if somebody in Jamaica said to you, you got biggie, they're simply speaking about your stomach. If somebody say you have a big gut, you have a big stomach. So there you have the Jamaican expression for today. You get it? Make sure you get it. And of course, when babe get home later, he'll put his spin on the Jamaican expression. So I'm going to go put Tyler down for a nap, have some lunch, and get on with my day. So I'll catch you guys in a bit. See you later. All right, you guys, catch you in a bit. This is not the phone, baby. Hello, can I speak to Tyler? You talk to Papa on the phone. Papa, talk to Papa on the phone. Put the phone at your ear. Say hello, Papa. Papa. Papa, hello. Papa. Say hello. Hello. Say love you, Papa. Papa. Love you. Hello. Oh. You're gonna make me cry. You're gonna make me cry. Hello. 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 Love you. Papa. Love you. Say love you. Oh, love you. Love you. Papa. Say Papa. Papa. Love you, Papa. Say love you. Oh, give Papa kisses. Oh. Hey you guys, so Tyler and I is actually by the pool. We are taking a little break from all the home activities and having a little R&R, taking a little break from all the housework and all the in the house happening. So he's here looking all fly in the water, having so much fun. So I'm about to just go in and have a little fun time with him. So yeah, we're just here chilling because it's totally needed to just relax sometimes and enjoy the day and don't just work. Mama! Wow! You're gonna leave me? Wow! Come. Wow! What a day! My gosh, I'm so busy, non-stop busy, but it was good while it lasted at the pool. Want to give high five? Bravo! Look at the biscuit on your mouth. That's baby. That's Tyler. 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 Actually in the kitchen right now, making some chicken to have for dinner in a few. Because I'm hungry, so I'm having early dinner tonight. I'm not sure if I'll be able to go and work out tonight, because babe and I have to go to the store to pick something up. So I wanted to go for a run when he gets back home, but I'm not sure about it. But let's see. Never say never. Alright guys, so dinner is well on its way, and this is the outcome of my chicken. I'm just going to take about 3 pieces, because as you can see they're pretty small. 2 pieces won't do me right now the way I'm hungry. And that is dinner for me. This is all I'm having tonight. This is babe dinner for tonight. He's having broccoli and corns with chicken. I guess if you want more, he can always take it, but I'm sure if I put 3 in his plate, he's gonna tell me no. So this is babe dinner for tonight. And Tyler had mashed potatoes, sweet potato that he had some leftovers from yesterday, which he already ate. So yeah, that's dinner. The wind here today is just crazy. You see these palm trees? It's so windy here today. I can basically see all the waves from in the beach, just swaying like crazy. It's just super windy day out today, but it's still sunny and feels nice. But with the wind, it don't make you feel too hot, so I guess that's a good thing. So that's what outside is looking like today, bright and beautiful as usual. We are on the road. The hubster is home. Haven't even changed his clothes, but we have to go pick something up at the store before the store is closed. So we are on our way right now. Hopefully Tyler doesn't fall asleep by the time we get back for his bedtime, but if he fall asleep, that's okay. Me already have dinner, so that's okay. Baby is driving, so you guys know that you'll chat up with him later. But yeah, he's home. And you guys, I'm trying to find a reasonable price headphone, because I work out so much and my headphones just messed up. So there's a new one that actually is supposed to come out today that we came back for, but it doesn't seem to be out on display as yet, so I might end up have to take something else. Alright you guys, so I ended up taking this one, which is the one that we really came for, and it have Bluetooth. So how I don't see the wire in it? How I don't see the wire in it? Hey faves, so we are back home, and when you see me in this attire, you know what's about to happen. Yes, I am going out on the road for a run. Tyler is off to bed. It's after 8 p.m. but I insist on going for a run, so I'm just going to do just that. So I'm gonna leave you guys with babe until I get back. So I go.
Hi guys, so baby is off to run. She feels very motivated today. She feels very motivated. That's good to know. So I just need myself to get motivated too. Didn't see me today. I'm okay. I'm feeling very tired. You know, when you go 3 days after work and then you have to go back to work, it feels harder. But yeah, it's have been a good day. Feeling tired from work. I just need to feel myself to look at her motivation and trying to be as motivated as her. So hopefully tomorrow I take my stuff, my trainers and my short and everything to work, and I come back with a 45 minutes run from work. So well, hopefully. So hope everybody enjoying their day, and catch you guys soon. Okay,
you guys, when I say that this is the face of death, I mean this is the face of death. I am so tired, but there's always a but. I feel so accomplished, even though I'm dying and I'm super tired. I feel accomplished. I started doing my outside runs last week, and every time I run outside, I decided that I'm going to stop on my journey less, and I'm going to try and do it faster. And today was my fastest of all. That makes it even more special, and this run feels harder than all the others because I was determined not to stop. I was determined to keep going. I was determined to make my time faster. So that was good. I feel really, really good. I'm super tired right now. It's almost 10 p.m. so I need to go do my final night cleaning, because I don't know if everybody else is like me, but I like to clean before I go to bed. So the Jamaican expression for today is big goat.
Big goat?
Right.
Okay.
You know what is a big goat?
Well, I know what is a goat, so you should.
I didn't say goat.
Oh, what you said?
Goat. G-U-T. Goat.
Goat.
Not G-O-A-T.
Yeah, sounds the same. Goat.
It sounds the same.
Okay, I don't know what
goat and goat.
Okay, goat.
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 Right. This is a goat. This is a big goat.
A big stomach?
Yes.
Okay.
A big stomach is a big goat. So I just work out because I don't want a big goat.
Okay.
Do you want a big goat?
I don't want a big goat.
Okay, so you know what to do not to get a big goat, right? Alright, you guys, so that there you have Babe take on the Jamaican expression. What was the French expression for today? You didn't give them?
No, gros ventre.
I need to say it. I need to say it. Gros ventre. Okay, let me explain something to you guys. The French alphabet pronounced different from the English alphabet, and the worst letter for me to pronounce in the French alphabet is R. I cannot pronounce the letter R to save my life. So every word that I have that pronunciation that I have to read, it's a struggle. So this expression that Babe is giving us, you guys gonna laugh at me. Say it again, Babe.
Gros ventre.
Gros ventre.
Yeah, try again.
Gros
Right.
ventre.
Right, say it faster.
Gros ventre.
Again.
Gros ventre.
Again.
Gros ventre.
No, gros.
Gros
Oui.
ventre.
Right. You don't. Yeah, what you do in you is you substitute the R by the L. It's not good. You should not substitute the R by the L. So it's gros ventre.
Okay. So there you guys see me struggling.
Right. So the meaning is the same meaning that Jamaican expression.
Alright. That's a good one. So there you guys have the French expression and the Jamaican expression being twins tonight. So you don't want a big gut and you don't want a gros ventre. That's hilarious. Alright, you guys, Tyler is off to bed. I don't think he'll tell you guys bye, because when we got off the road I just put him straight to bed because I really wanted to go and run.
Well, you can have a gros ventre and be happy with your gros ventre. You just need to feel comfortable.
That's true. I have no problem with who have a gros ventre.
Right.
I have no problem.
It's the most important is to feel
you're comfortable with it, honey.
Right. If you have a gros ventre and you're comfortable with it,
that's perfectly fine. Don't check anything to please nobody.
And being comfortable are the two main
That's so true. That's so true. Alright, you guys, as you guys can see, it's still super windy outside. Hopefully it's not affecting this clip. As you guys can see, the palm trees and everything, it's just super windy all day today and all night. Focus. There you go. So I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog because I need to go get fresh and spend some time with my husband before I go to bed. Look at that smile. And yeah, so that's what's up for today, you guys. Hopefully you guys really enjoyed today's vlog. It was much, but that's okay. We love you guys. Thank you guys for always watching. Catch up and keep up. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment down below. We love you guys, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.